another video, and we are working with Nadula Hair. So I'm just showing you guys all that came inside of the package, and this unit is going to be a unit that you can literally throw on in less than 5 minutes, you guys. I'm telling you guys, I already have my makeup, everything done. I was literally on my way out the house, and this unit is pre-cut, and the unit is like a light brown, and it has highlights in it. It's curly, so I did not have to bleach the knots or anything. I just put this straight on my head, y'all. I sprayed a little bit of lace tint spray on the lace, but this is a closure, so you guys see, like, I could really just walk out the door right now. Like, literally all I did was put it on my head. All the information for this unit will be down below, of course, but I really like this unit. I feel like it's really going to be one of my go-tos. Now, you guys, I was really going in between like hairstyles, and it's really hot in Atlanta, and I was going somewhere where like my wig could possibly like slip if I did not add no glue or anything, because like I be trying to do adventurous stuff, you know, it's summertime or whatever. So you really don't have to glue this down if you don't want to, because this is a glueless unit, but I did glue it down just to be safe, just to be sure. But they do have elastic bands in the back, so you can make it like as tight as you want to so it won't slip, but I just needed that extra hold with the glue. But you guys, this hair is just so cute. This is definitely going to be one of my go-tos. This is definitely a beginner-friendly unit, because all you have to do is just add a little bit of makeup or lace tint spray that's your color, and you are ready to go out the door. Like, they're making these wigs so much easier to install, guys. I had this unit on, and I kind of added like a little bit of layers in it just to make it like frame my face a little bit more. But all the information for this unit will be down below. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out. Shop Nadula Hair.
Nadula.